Meera and Raymond's relationship was chilly from the beginning. After the Anslow-Garrick takeover of the black site, Raymond was on a quest to find out who was the mole working inside of the task force, the person who led Garrick to the black site and helped him get inside. Raymond learns later that Meera was the mole. He went to her apartment that night to kill her, but he didn't because she vowed to give him info about who was really at the top of everything. So Raymond let her go that night. She did give him the information he needed and he walked away with it. But did that mean that Meera was safe from Raymond's wrath for the part she played in all of this? Raymond was on a seek and destroy mission at this time. Could he have sought revenge on Meera at a later date? Like that night she was killed in the club. Who was that guy really working for? Is this why Sia's really on the scene? Will she discover that Raymond was the reason for her mother's death? Will she retaliate and try to kill Raymond? I think she's on the scene for a reason.